Hey there, everybody. My name's Nathan Elson, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite forms of portrait lighting, which is shooting from the dark side of the frame. And what that is that cinematic style lighting, where all of that light is traveling across your subject's face and body, and it's bringing out all of that beautiful mood and texture. So let's jump into the studio and I'll show you how it's done. So here we are in the studio and I'm using a giant window as my light source. And I've positioned myself to be shooting from the shadow side of the lighting, which all on its own looks like this, which can work in a lot of instances, but it's too moody for the final images that I wanted to create during this shoot. So to balance that lighting out, I'm going to bring in one of my V-flats and place the white side facing towards the dark side of the model to bounce some of that light back in towards her face and her body. Now, one thing that you have to take into account when bouncing light back in towards your subject is how close you are placing your V-flat to your subject. As you can see here, with the V-flat placed right beside my model Cameron, the light is a lot flatter and we're no longer getting that cinematic style of lighting. But if we move the V-flat further away, we can start to control how much of that shadow detail we are bringing back into the final images, with the lighting becoming more dramatic as we increase the distance of the V-flat from the model. Now, once you find that sweet spot, which in this instance meant placing the V-flat a few feet away from the model, you can start pressing that shutter button. And instead of getting images like this, you'll start getting images like this, where we preserved the original shaping of the light, but we created a much more balanced feeling to the lighting. And the fantastic part when using V-flats is that you get a full body reflector. So if you do decide to shoot full body, you get perfectly even lighting from head to toe, making the whole environment look much more natural. Now, the other side of that coin is that if you do want to create more shadow and contrast, but maybe you're in a confined space where the light is bouncing off of a nearby wall, you can flip your V-flat around and use the black side as a flag, which means it's now absorbing the light rather than reflecting it, and you can create those nice deep shadows again. But if you do want to lighten up that image one more time, just flip back to the white side and you can very quickly change the entire mood of the image. And there you have it, a super easy and efficient way to create one of my favorite types of portrait lighting, using nothing but natural light and a single V-flat. So if you all would like to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.